Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open accessibility settings. First open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to accessibility. Next tap on accessibility. Step 2. Turn on reachability. Next tap on touch. Find reachability and toggle it on. This feature lets you pull the top of the screen down so it's easier to reach with one hand. Step 3. Use one-hand mode reachability. To activate one-handed mode, swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen right above the home bar. The screen moves down, making buttons easier to reach with your thumb. Step 4. Exit one-handed mode. To exit reachability, tap the top area of the screen or swipe. Your display will return to normal. Step 5. When reachability is most useful. Reachability is perfect for texting, browsing, or using apps while holding your phone in one hand. And that's how you enable one-handed mode on iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.